How can I prevent static electricity buildup on my body?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how you can prevent static electricity buildup on your body. Static electricity can be quite annoying, causing hair to stand on end, clothes to cling, and even giving you small electric shocks. But don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks to help you stay static-free. Let's get started.
What causes static electricity?
To understand how to prevent static electricity buildup, it's important to know what causes it in the first place. Static electricity is the imbalance of electric charges on the surface of objects, resulting in the buildup of excess electrons or a deficit of electrons. When two objects with different electrical charges come into contact or separate, this imbalance can cause static electricity to occur.
Choose your clothing materials wisely.
One way to prevent static electricity buildup is to pay attention to the materials you wear. Certain fabrics, such as polyester and nylon, are more prone to generating static electricity. Instead, opt for natural fibers like cotton, silk, or wool as they tend to minimize static buildup. Additionally, using fabric softeners when washing your clothes can help reduce static cling.
Moisturize your skin.
Dry skin can exacerbate static electricity buildup, so it's important to keep your skin moisturized. Using a good moisturizer regularly can help maintain proper moisture levels in your skin, reducing the chances of static electricity buildup. You can also consider using a humidifier in your home to increase overall humidity, which can prevent dryness and static.
Ground yourself.
Another effective way to prevent static electricity buildup is to ground yourself. Static electricity is more likely to accumulate when you're insulated from the ground, such as when wearing rubber-soled shoes or walking on synthetic carpets. To ground yourself, you can try walking barefoot on a hard floor surface like tile or concrete. Using anti-static wristbands if you're working with electronic components. Touching grounded metal objects, like a water pipe or a doorknob, to discharge any static buildup.
Avoid synthetic fabrics and certain footwear.
As mentioned earlier, synthetic fabrics like polyester and nylon can contribute to static electricity buildup. Try to avoid wearing these materials, especially in environments where static is common, like in offices with synthetic carpeting. Additionally, certain types of footwear, such as rubber-soled shoes, can increase static buildup. Opt for shoes with leather soles or other non-insulating materials to reduce static electricity.
Use anti-static products.
There are several anti-static products available on the market that can help reduce static electricity buildup. These include anti-static sprays. These sprays can be applied to clothing, carpets, or furniture to reduce static cling. Anti-static dryer sheets. Adding these sheets to your laundry can help prevent static buildup in your clothes. Humidity-reducing products. Using moisture-absorbing products like silica gel packets or dehumidifiers in areas prone to static can help keep the air drier, minimizing static electricity. That wraps up our video on how to prevent static electricity buildup on your body. By being mindful of the clothing materials you choose, moisturizing your skin, grounding yourself, and using anti-static products, you can greatly reduce static electricity's effects. Remember to experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you. Stay static-free and have a wonderful day.